What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's early, it's cold, and I'm getting ready to hook up to the trailer right now. I don't know if you guys can see anything right now, but heading down to Oakland to the port to pick up our lifts. We have a 2-post lift coming and a 4-post lift that we're going to pick up, and we may stop by Wild Horses 4x4 on the way up to grab a new some new parts for the next build. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. All right, all loaded up, ready to go. U.S. Customs, Border Patrol. Let the dog go potty and back on the road. Oh yeah, there you go. Look at all that garbage. Welcome to California, people. Yeah. What was on time lapse?
No, oh, that guy's got his pants down. He's probably just taking his
Nothing's on time lapse, is it?
It was on whatever he had it on. Deft. Guess he's illiterate too. How is it that we see stupid stuff every 2 seconds until you turn the camera on? No, these roads are horrible. Highest gas taxes in the United States, and we have the worst roads. I don't know how that happened, but at least Gavin Newsom has a new $5 million house all the way across.
They actually got plywood on there. We got tough sheds out there. Look at those tough sheds.
You gotta be kidding me. Probably funded by Nancy Pelosi. I doubt they have a $25,000 fridge to hold a bunch of ice cream.
Well, here's the Port of Oakland. All international shipments. This thing is miles long.
what's the plan? What are we doing here? These stairs are moving, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna take these stairs and we're gonna put them over on that side. We have 2 lifts that came. A 4-post that's gonna go right here. Another 2 posts. We're talking about up top, but we're gonna put it down here somewhere now?
Yeah, and the one at the house.
Because we have 2 more, right? We have 2 9,000 pounders. So we'll put one up there, up in front of that door that we never opened with the awesome flags. And then the other one will go down here somewhere else. The 2 lifts that we picked up today are 12,000 pound. So they're big enough to pick up our trucks, anything really, for the most part that we're ever gonna touch. The other 2 are 9,000 pounders, which technically both of our trucks are under that limit, but we don't want to put it to the limit. So that's why we have a 12,000 pounder, and we'll have it down here. And that way, if we need to do a simple oil change, tire rotation, anything like that, we will be able to do that just for simplicity of life.
Yep.
Anything else we're gonna do, Jared?
No, not.
Besides these floors.
Oh yeah, we gotta do these.
Right? So before the lifts go in, all this nasty precast stuff that's all over the ground from the previous tenant, we're gonna try to scrape up. Obviously, you guys remember we have the paint booth out back that we need to install.
Start looking like a shop.
It might be a shop someday. Yeah. As it is right now, it's we just have a lot of unassembled pieces. And then that's it. And what else do you have coming on, Jared? You're coming up soon. I think we have another Bronco build, right?
Yep, new Bronco build.
Now this is a full Bronco build, not just a body.
Yep, full build. I think they'll sell a little bit easier than the bodies by themselves, but yeah, full custom, not custom, sorry, stock. What was it? What do you call it?
Factory Plus.
Factory Plus.
So it's gonna be like that one back there with the rear flares built into the quarter. And then we decided we're gonna do the 302,
yep,
an AOD transmission, a Dana 20. So it's all the same as factory. What are you doing? You excited? Roscoe, come on. So it's gonna be the same as factory, just built a little bit better. So the motor's obviously gonna have better internals, transmission, transfer case, the axles, the rears are gonna be flared like that. Possibly a little bit of lift to fit larger tires. Yep. Maybe what, up to like a 33?
33,
something like that.
35, depending on what we end up doing. You know, as far as the body lift and suspension lift. New chassis, got that ordered. Pick that up probably tomorrow.
Yeah, it's a brand new chassis. You can't tell the difference from it being an original chassis, anything like that. So all the spots to put clips in for all of your brake lines, your electrical lines, fuel lines, all of that has a factory mounting location. So yep, we'll be getting going on that here, what, the next week or 2?
Yeah, start next week.
And then for today, I think we're just about done for today.
Yep.
But yep, those are those lifts. Had to go down to the port. Jared was the one who figured out how to get those. Where did those come from, Jared?
China. Straight from China. 3 months ago. Ordered them. Have to go through all the customs and all that crazy stuff. ISF forms, BOL forms, and more fees for brokers. Because you can't just go to the port to pick them up. You have to have a broker who's licensed go and do all that. But
and then pretty much the lifts are about the same boat there, about a third, maybe even a quarter, yep, of what the cost would be if we order them to somebody here.
Yeah, the biggest downside is just waiting for them to get shipped over there in China and put on the boats, and because they're obviously shipped on boats and containers, so that's the biggest downside is the wait. But obviously you can see that we weren't in a rush to get it, so it actually worked out really well. We're ready for them now. But yeah, you guys will see a video from start to finish, you know, unpackaging, then the installation of it. But you know, he wants to be YouTube famous again.
What's up, Roscoe? Roscoe, come here. Jump, jump.
Up.
Nope,
Up.
not today.
Nope.
All right, guys. Well, that's it. Jared will probably be filling some more information in a little bit later.
Yep.
And then for now,
It's a wrap.